Okay, hello everybody. This is going to be the first tutorial in my awesome new series. Let's see, Minecraft Modding Advanced. That's MMCA? MMA? Not going to call it MMA. That's, I don't know, stealing another name. MMCA, Minecraft Modding Advanced. No, wait, it's MCMA. There you go, Minecraft, MC. Okay, so Minecraft Modding Advanced series, and I'm going to get a new intro for this, or I'm going to try at least. I don't know, it's probably not going to be for this video, maybe the next one. Anyway, so let's get started. And this is first going to be about redstone powering, multiple textures per for one block, and metadata. Okay. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a redstone powered block. So, actually we're going to need to have two blocks. This is going to be a light up block, like a light is powered. It's going to have light, unpowered. It's not going to be lit up. So, since, where would something be? Let's look at another block first. Oh, block.java. Where is it? There you go, block.java. So, let's find something scroll all the way to the bottom, right? So let's find torches. Control F, torch. There you go. Torch wood. So torch wood, if you look, it has set light value 0. something F, right? Really close to 1. If we look for glowstone, Control F, glowstone. It's gotta be here somewhere, right? There you go, glowstone. Hardness set light value 1.0 F. Okay, see this light value thing? This is a one-time deal. When you first start it inside your mod file, it's gonna glow exactly that much. Otherwise, it's gonna glow nothing at all. Like for this, for example, portals, it's gonna glow that much. Pumpkin lantern is gonna glow that much, and so on. But other objects like a normal redstone repeater doesn't have a light, and when it's active it's going to be glowing, right? So it's going to have this instead. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the block. When it's powered, we're going to replace it with the powered version that's going to glow, and then we're going to, when the power goes out, we're going to turn it back into right. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make an active, we're going to make an idle, kind of like we're going to make it called lighted and unlighted. Okay, and it's going to be like a normal block, like a diamond block. You put 9 diamonds, you make a diamond block. That's what we're going to do. Ours is going to be a kryptonite block, right? So let's make it over here. Kryptonite light block. Pretty typical. I got us a texture already, so I just have to add that. We're gonna put 2 of them, obviously, right? We're gonna call it kryptonite block with a capital B, right? It's gonna override terrain.png because it is indeed a block. 97 is the block ID. We're gonna have to change that to 98 and 99, and we're gonna call it kryptonite block, and we're gonna call this one kryptonite block lit. Right, and obviously those are going to have problems because we didn't set them up like we did over here. So let's add those. Control C, Control V. Let's take that again as we did before. Just dump it in here. Block, kryptonite block, and kryptonite block lit. Right. Okay, so let's save that. And it's obviously not going. Well, first let's take care of the texture real quick. Where did I put the texture? Document, Minecraft mods, tutorial 1, pics. These are to view later, as you guys will see. We're going to use these when we get to multiple textures. I'm going to show you guys how to use these. But for now, we are going to use the kryptonite block. So I'm going to Control X. Oh, wait, it's a capital K, right? Got to remember that. Oh, not a list. I like details. There you go. Temp bin Minecraft. Oh, where do I have it? Somewhere over here. Mods. Paste in there. Rename. lowercase k. And then we also need to add it to the Minecraft jar, right? I'm gonna open the Minecraft jar bin with 7-zip, open archive. Leave that in the corner, just go back twice to be exactly where we were. No, wait, one more. There you go. Let's find the mods thing here, mods. Add our kryptonite block, right? There we go. And we'll leave that open. Now we just need to do kryptonite block.png, it's all good. Now for the lit one, we're just gonna add one little, no, obviously it's gonna be kryptonite block. We are going, oh wait, don't forget, I keep on forgetting, we have to register it and stuff. So kryptonite block. As usual, we gotta add the names. Kryptonite block lit, kryptonite block. Technically this thing should never exist, so we're not going to give it a name because you're never going to be able to have it in your inventory, a lit one, pre-lit. Right, so we don't need a name for the other one because, well, obviously it should never be in your inventory, but we still got to register them both, right? So let's get them both in here. Kryptonite block lit. There you go. And now let's make sure the lit one is lit. So we're gonna add this at the end. Dot set light value. Opacity is opacity. You know, it's like how opaque it is. You know, like water or glass. You know, that's opacity. We want light value. So we're going to set the light value to 1F. F is just to make it a float. Don't ask me why. It's one of those things about Java. Anyway, so this is going to glow. This one is not. And it's obviously not going to be kryptonite ore, so we're going to call it kryptonite block. Right? Same with this one. This is actually going to be also a tutorial on kind of how to use two blocks using the same block file. Right? So obviously we're gonna have to make that block kryptonite block. So anyway, let's save this. File, new file, block kryptonite block.java. Did I spell that right? Kryptonite. I believe I did. Anyway, typical blocks. Let's find some random one. Block clock, for instance. Grab all that stuff, dump it in here. It's obviously not going to be a block clock, it's going to be a block kryptonite block. Same here. Kryptonite block. And it's going to be INTI, INTJ. And it's going to be a type of stone. But anyway, super INTI. No. IJ. Material dot rock, if I remember correctly, right? Anyway, there you go, right? Other stuff is, well, oh yeah, not damage dropped. Where is no, this isn't gonna help us. We obviously want it either way, no matter which one of these is broken, we want it to drop kryptonite block, right? So we're gonna do that. Public ID drop INGI, I think. I don't know. Let's go double check in block.java. The idea is if you're not going to use a function that you make in here by yourself, if you're not going to use it like by itself, I'm not going to say like, okay, if ID drop something. If I'm not going to use it on my own, then it has to be one of these, otherwise it will never get used. If we look, I don't know, let's look, Control F and dropped, you know, quantity dropped, ID dropped, there you go. Just gonna copy and paste this, drop that in here. It's not gonna be just any block ID, it's gonna be kryptonite block, block ID. Anyway, it's obviously gonna be in our kryptonite mod, so mod kryptonite dot kryptonite block dot block ID, right? We don't want it dropping a lit block now, do we? So we got taken care of this already. So we already know that if we make it makes it, and it's going to drop this one either way. So currently this second one is never being used, okay, at all. Now save this. Still has a problem for some reason. Let's find out why or where. It has no problem. This has to be saved, that's all. And we just add ourselves a recipe. Testing recipe for kryptonite ore. Let's just add it here. Block recipe. It's gonna be like the 9 square of these things, so. Value of X is mod kryptonite gem, exactly, but it's not kryptonite home, it's gonna be kryptonite block. 1 kryptonite block, there you go. Right? So, save it, and let's test this out. Let's run the test. And it gives us an error. Why does it give us an error? Slot 98 is already occupied. Oh, but I really occupied it already with what? 97, oh, 98, 98. That's what it was, 99, 98, 99. To make sure you have different block IDs for everything. So, to run it now, it should be fine. There's a place that we've had all this time. It's a little different than what we had before I made this little area. If I can get in there. There's a few torches, you can get all the way down here to light that area. It's nice and dark. I set up redstone and everything. Wait, did I just get rid of my torch? Yeah, I just got rid of my torch by accident. Where should I put my torch? Put it over here. There you go. So you can look at this yourself. So you got, let's put a torch over here just for our own sake. Right, so, well, we got a block over here. Okay, it goes up, and we're going to put our kryptonite block right here to test if it's, what's it called, it or not. And we have a lever over here. It's going to turn it on or off, or on or off, or something. I already tested this redstone to work. It works for sure. Okay, and so let's put back the cobblestone. Yeah, we don't want any monsters spawning in there, so I'm going to leave those torches there for the time being. We're going to break this one when you put our block here, but either way. So let's go back up. And we still have our kryptonite tools before, huh? So anyway, let's make some kryptonite stuff. Kryptonite block. Right? And that's what it is. That's weird. I thought for sure that I got the texture for this. Did I get the texture? Maybe not. Oh gosh, it's taking forever to break. I need to make it easier to break. Okay, anyway, let's fix that real quick. So, where's our kryptonite block? We got kryptonite block.png. It overrides that perfectly. Now, did I name it right? That is the question. Control C. Control V. Control V. Did I put it in the right place? That's the question indeed. So we got KR for kryptonite. Nothing. Okay. So maybe mods. Do I get my kryptonite block? Capital B. It's in here. I don't know what the big deal is. Let's go see. Maybe it magically appeared in there. Looking correct. Okay, there's a problem. We have a problem with our mod loader thing. Maybe it's in our block over here. PINTJ is our material, it's fine. Our texture, right? Can leave that over there. We don't need any of this stuff for the time being. Wait, what's the oh wait, never mind, I needed that. Can throw the rest of this stuff away. Blah. So anyway, let's save this. It's fine. I wonder what the problem is. Oh wait, maybe I have to register the block first. I gotta register that one, register that one. That's fine. There should be no error at all with the add override, right? It's in there. It's fine. What did we do different on our kryptonite ore? Let's find out what we did different on our kryptonite ore. Oh wait, it's a block kryptonite ore, right? So block kryptonite ore. Same thing. Let's just copy and paste that in there. Maybe that's what it is. Control V, block kryptonite block. There you go. It's fine. Quite a mystery here. Maybe the picture I made is wrong. Maybe? You guys think so? Yeah, it looks like that. It's fine. Definitely a problem in here. Mods. Kryptonite block. Not kryptonite dash ore, it's kryptonite block. Oh. CRY. Yeah, I got it right. Let's rename it and copy it exactly, you know, into here. Control V. Control V. Looks the exact same to me. Well, nothing we can do but try it again. Well, whatever. For now, I guess we could just leave it as it is. Let's make this a little less hard, though. Let's take care of that now. Make it a little less hard by giving it, I don't know, let's give it like a 1 hardness. And 5 resistance. Stone footsteps. Kryptonite blocks for both of them. So that one is light. Okay. Light GHT. Okay, so let's save that. Okay, on to the big stuff. Well, first thing we're going to do is we're going to steal code from, oh, what's it called? We're going to steal code from, I guess we could do a jukebox or, what's it called? The sound thingy box. But I prefer using a dispenser. Because, well, when it changes, it shoots immediately, you know? It's not like one of those things that's constantly, you know. So, anyway, let's find anything on block activated. No, it's when you right click on it. Oh no, there you go. These two is what we want. We're going to control C. And we're going to control V. So what this does is this, okay? Okay, so flag is this stuff, right? If it's getting powered or not, and if it is powered, you need to schedule a block update, right? This block got to do something. It's gonna do that, and when it updates, it's gonna say, okay, it's gonna update. And once it does update, you see if it's powered. If it is indeed powered, is block indirectly getting powered, then it's gonna dispense an item, right? Obviously, if it's not being powered, it's going to do something else. Not powered. Right? But if it is powered, it's going to do this, obviously. Right? So, when it is powered, we're going to set the block to a light version, right? So we're going to do world.set, not set, .set world.set not with metadata, not and metadata and modify. Set block with notify right here. Okay. I, J, K are the, what's it called? Coordinates, which are already given to us right here. I, J, and K. And L is gonna be the block ID. So we're gonna do mod kryptonite dot mod kryptonite dot, let's see, what was it? Kryptonite block dot block ID, right? Oh, I messed up the P over there. That's what it was. Kryptonite. There you go. That should be it. Put a semicolon at the end. There you go. Oh wait, this power I want lit, right? So let's put a lit. Sorry. Brought kryptonite lit, and for this one, it's gonna copy and paste that over here. It's gonna be the one that's not lit, obviously. So it's gonna set the normal one. Okay. That's all you gotta do. Poof. Now it's something's happening when you change the metadata, or not. We're not changing the metadata. Sorry. We're simply changing the block. Okay. So we're gonna save that and run it. For some reason, the texture isn't working, but we'll worry about that later. What we currently have is this. See, it's dark. Obviously, it should be a whole bunch easier to break now, right? So let's go test it downstairs to see if it works how we want it to work. Put that over there. We're gonna break the torch. Not powered. Poof. Oh my gosh. You see that? It magically turned into the right color now. Okay. On. Off. Apparently it's not turning off now. On. Off. Let's see what happened over here. It's still connected. Turn it on. Wait. If you break it, it gives us this. Oh, I think I figured it out. The lit one has the material. There you go, it's on. And the moment it turns off, wait, I don't want to go up. It's not turning off. Why is it not turning off? I don't know. Let's find out. And we have to fix that too. Let's see what's wrong with that. I don't understand. Well, let's find out. Half of these tutorials is debugging. So let's do that now. Okay, well, we know that both of these have the exact same material. That should be no problem, right? And in the top over here on your registers, where are the registers? Registers. Block and block lit. I think the easier way would be this. We are to take this and give it a number. Put it down here along with the rest of these things. Textures. You will use this more when you get to the multiple textures per block. It's going to be private int because it's not gonna. We're not going to need to use it anywhere. I'll make a private int kryptonite block texture is equal to that, right? It's going to be a modular override. This gives us icon, index, texture, whatever you want to call it, right? So now we can just take this and dump it where we need it. So instead of doing all the mod loader stuff, dump that right there, just a number. Same for here. And what's the problem with these? Okay, fine, we gotta change it to static. Oh, big deal. Apparently we have to put this at the top. Because, I don't know, apparently we need it at the top. So let's put it at the top. There, happy? Apparently they're not happy. We just have to do it this way again like we did for the blocks. Control X, drops it over there. And we have to add it over here. texture. Control V, and you can take that. Control C. Not too far up. Right here. Control V is equal to that. There you go. Apparently this is decided to be extremely annoying, but we're gonna have to put this not even in the static anymore. It has to be all the way up here. We have to put it before everything else. Textures, and drop it there. There you go, because when you call the mod, it's the first thing that ever happens. And that should be done. Should be fine now, but apparently not. These things decide that they must be annoying, but whatever. It should run anyway. Or not. It's not gonna run. That's sad. Okay, well, what we're gonna have to do is this. We're gonna take these, Control X. They're not gonna be in the static. They are gonna be down here. It doesn't really matter. I just like putting them in the static, but they don't have to be. So we're just gonna take this line, Control X, and put it over here. Control V with that. So that one we don't need. And this one, I'm gonna put obviously where it belongs. Over there. Right. Oh, we can have a semicolon before the equal sign. And so there you go. That should work fine now. Should also give us the right textures. Hopefully. No. And there's our kryptonite block that doesn't quite look like it's supposed to, what it's supposed to look like. That's weird. Does it matter if it's powered? Let's see if it matters if it's powered or not. Nope, it's not working even if it's powered. It's even more weird. And it's not turning off either. I wonder why. So, let's fix that. Well, obviously, we have to... Well, you know what? I guess we can put this in here now. You don't need it in the top. It could be right there. Right here. Along with the other blocks that we decided need to be here. So, oh wait, not two equal signs. Oh, it's going to save that. Now it should work. At least I hope it does. Texture. Oh, there you go. Finally. No. There you go. Dark. Right? X out of that. On. Off. Okay, apparently it decides to be more annoying. Well, let's fix that now. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get the tick rate. Well, first block dispenser, we need that. See, not blocking the text and the text rate. See, tick rate. This returns 4. For us, we want it fast, right? So, we're going to want it like 1. I want it to be instantaneous. Wait a second. You want that open? Apparently I didn't copy all of it. Get all of it, Control C. You dump it over here. And tick rate is going to be 1. Very fast. I know what the problem is now. You know what? It's only scheduling an update when it's powered. We should just get schedule the tick rate. I mean, oh, you know what? Forget that. We don't even need this. It should always be ready to update, you know? Let's see if it works that way. We might have to keep that part. I don't know. Let's find out. Off. Okay. On. Oh, wait, no. Try breaking it and getting this one back. Dark. Okay. Well, apparently we need that part now. let's get rid of that then. Well, sorry, we need that part. We need to get it back. But instead of only if it's powered, we will just do it all the time. So let's Control X. If it's powered. If it's one of the blocks that can provide power, obviously. Haha. We should do it that way now. So let's start it. Now, no matter what it is, as long as the block beside it is providing power, well, not if it's providing power, if it can provide power, it should work. Boom, 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 boom. And there you go. We have our light. Our glowing block. Without all the errors, regardless, this is our glowing block. There you go. Ding, 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 ding. I'm thinking I should put a block and I should put like a, what's it called in there? You do it one time and it starts flipping back and forth. But anyway, there you go. We got our block, right? Our glowing one. Ho ho ho. Right? But you know what? We don't only want that, we also want to learn about metadata and stuff. But you know what? That's gonna have to wait till later. Yeah. Well, for right now, let's see. I'm gonna upload this video, and then immediately afterward, I will record and upload the next one. Just to make it a little easier for you guys, you know, so you don't have to go looking through 5 different videos and find out that what you want to know is in the second part of the first video, you know. So I'm just gonna make completely different videos for each of these things. Anyway, yeah. There you go.